Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a landing page for your website or CRM software using Hubspot in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you have a Hubspot account set up just like I do here. So here's what the dashboard looks like. And once you guys are through the sign up process and you've set up your account as well as your page, your company name, and so on, whatever the on-screen instructions ask you to do, you'd want to navigate to the marketing tab at the very top left corner of the screen. So there's contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, and so on. So from here, you want to select on marketing and click on the drop down. And from here, you'll immediately see that there's an option to create a landing page. So we're going to do this, click on landing page. And the idea is, well, I already have one for my website, but if you guys want to make one from scratch for a different domain, for example, you'd want to click on the create button at the top right corner of the screen and select landing page from the drop down. So you're going to click on landing page like so. Enter the URL for it, give it a page name, so we can do core dynamics store, for example. Click on create, select a template from the provided asset library by HubSpot. So from here, let's actually do one for, since we're doing a landing page, I guess the best one would be this landing page simple conversion, or we could do home. Either way is really fine. Or we could do a video template one. I guess the most appealing one would be this, or the click-through. Actually, this one's the most basic, so let's go with landing page click-through. Click on select template, and HubSpot will basically load up the site builder for their landing page creator, as you can see here. And here you get to add new containers, sections, and elements to your landing page, modify the text, add some social links or embeds, videos, anchor links, so on and so forth. And you're actually able to preview the different formats for your landing page, as you can see here. So it's pretty cool because you get access to all of these configurations and properties like themes, text, commerce, design, functionality, so on and so forth. And that's honestly all there's to it. Now you guys can have at it and design your landing page how you guys want. And yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.